Okay, let's talk about how to copy and paste something and mirror it so you don't have to redraw it. Especially this will come in handy with your eye and your eyebrow. You may have to tweak it after you've copied and pasted it to make it look right, but I want to show you how it's possible to, you don't have to redraw the entire thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now with my eyebrow, my eye, all of the pieces. I just selected all of them by clicking on them and then holding shift and then adding to it. So I'm just going to do a copy paste. So edit, copy, edit, paste. So I have an exact copy there. I'm going to move it kind of in the general area where it needs to be. And now I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to format options, size, rotation, and then down here there's a flip horizontal. And then I can just sort of adjust the positioning here. Again, I'm using my arrow keys to do this. You can also drag and drop. But that can be a really helpful tool.